Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherelle and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we'll be trying out waveformers, and I am so excited because I've literally waited a month for them to get here. And if you're subscribed to my channel, you know I don't experiment much with my natural hair, so I'm so excited to try something new. But before we get into the video, my channel is all about beauty, natural hair and skincare, so if that kind of content interests you, I would love it if you could show support to my channel by subscribing. Now let's get into the video. So as I said before, today I will be trying out waveformers, and I first saw this on Instagram. I actually found them very interesting. So from the Instagram video, the actual Instagram video had a YouTube channel there, and when I watched the video I was really amazed and I couldn't wait to try them out for myself. The video that I saw, I will leave it in the description box below, but about these curl formers, guys, they literally took a month to get here. So I've literally been pumping myself up to try them out, and now they're finally here. They literally arrived today. So I'm going to film the video the same day that I received them. If you also wanted to try them out yourself, I will leave the link to the ones that I purchased down in the description box below. So I actually purchased 4 packets of waveformers because I actually didn't know how much I would need, but this is what they look like here. They just came in this plastic packaging, and I'm assuming that this little blue tool here is to help pull your hair and thread it through the waveformers. In one packet you get 12 waveformers, and you also get this little tool to help pull your hair through the waveformers. I have 48 waveformers altogether, and I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to put my hair into quarters to make things a little bit easier, but to be honest with you, I don't think I'm going to end up using all of them. This is the attachment here that helps you pull your hair through the waveformer, and when you get it, it comes in 3 parts, and you just put them together really easily like this. At first they're really hard to kind of snap together, but once they're together I think I'll try and leave it that way because it must be really hard to pull apart as well. These waveformers are actually 45 centimeters, so I wouldn't actually be worrying about my hair reaching the end of the waveformers. At the top and the bottom it has a little bit of soft plastic, which I guess helps it hold in place, and it looks like it's made of like a mesh material. You can see that there's little holes in between it, and I think that's absolutely great because I don't think I'm going to get any comfortable sleep in these. I'm going to use a heated bonnet hairdryer to help speed up the drying process. I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into quarters and we'll go from there. Now I don't really use that much products in my hair. I tend to stick to natural things like shea butter and oils and stuff like that, but for the sake of this video I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner and some products that I actually really like. So the first product that I'm going to use is by Cream of Nature, and it is their leave-in conditioner, and it is their Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. And as you can see, this product is more of a liquidy consistency. I'm going to use it to loosen up my hair because when I was filming the intro, my hair started to dry and revert again. Once I've loosened up my hair with the Cream of Nature, I'm going to go in with Mixed Roots Curl Control Leave-In Lotion. I'm also going to go in with some hair gel as well. I don't think this is actually necessary, but I'm going to do it because my hair reverts really quickly and I find that hair gel actually stops that a little bit. And the hair gel that I'm using is by Eco Styler, and it is their Super Protein, and everything that I use today will be in the description box below. So now I'm going to grab one of my waveformers, and then I'm going to push the tool through the middle like this, and I presume that you just grab a piece of hair. I'm not sure if the piece that I grabbed is too big or small, but I might twist it to make it a little bit easier. Grab it like this and hook the hook around your hair. and then pull it up at the same time. There we go, that's one. I feel like that was quite easy, but as you can see, it's not really at the root of my hair. So we'll keep on trying to make sure we get it nice and stretched at the root. And now I'm just going to repeat the same steps all throughout my hair. What the second one looks like, and as you can see, my hair comes down almost to the end, which I'm surprised about. And this one, the second one that I've done, is on really tight because I did take a bigger chunk of hair. The only thing that I think is that the hair needs to maybe be a bit flatter and spread out more across the waveformer rather than in one place. Hello everyone, so I'm back. It's been about 10 minutes. It didn't take long at all. I thought it was going to take forever, but I've just done a quarter of my hair, and to be honest with you, it's pretty good. So one of the worries that I did have was it not staying at the root of my hair, which there's definitely no problem with that. I feel like these I feel like the little bit of plastic at the beginning, or the little bit of rubber, actually really helps to keep it in place. One problem that I have come across, that it is a little bit hard to get all the way to the root. So I'm going to show you this one here, and as you can see, the hair isn't all the way in there, and I've got a little bit of hair out here. So I might redo this one again and try and get it closer to the root this time. Twisting my hair a little bit. Twisting my hair to try and make it as close to the root as possible. And then you hook your hair on like this, and then, but I like to bring it down slightly, because if you pull the waveformer all the way up when this is up here, it gets really tight. So I like to start from there, and then I pull the waveformer up, put it in the direction of my hair, and then pull it all the way through. And sometimes it can come out a little bit wonky like this, but what you do is that you hold the root of the waveformer and then just pull it down, and there you go. It's still got a little bit at the root, but I feel like that's as best as I can do at the moment. Now I'm going to carry on with the rest of my hair, and I'll be back. Hello everyone, so it's been about half an hour and I'm finally finished putting these on. And to be honest with you, I feel like I did a pretty good job, but a little bit of it I did have to ask someone else to help me, which was on my right hand side, just these ones right here at the bottom. Other than that, there wasn't too much trouble to put on. I do feel like they're a little bit tight, which I wasn't expecting. I was expecting them to be really loose and almost falling off my head. I was literally expecting to get some bobby pins to hold them in place, but they do a good job of holding in place themselves. So right now I'm going to sit under the hooded hairdryer bonnet and I'll be back in about 2 hours. So this is my hooded bonnet hairdryer here. I purchased this one from Amazon. I've actually only used it once, but this will be the first time you guys are seeing me use it. I purchased mine for around £15 and it has really come in handy because, as you can see now, I would have to sit around or even sleep in this tonight, but instead I get to use my hooded bonnet hairdryer. Hello everyone, so it's been about 45 minutes and I think my hair is fully dry now. Now it's time to take the waveformers off and see what result I have. Hello everyone, so I decided to do a voiceover, otherwise this video would have taken way too long. But I wanted to tell you a bit about my experience and a little bit of pros and cons. Also, don't forget to check out my description box because I do put a lot of information in there as well. So overall, this did take quite a long time to do. The main thing that took the longest amount of time was the drying time. And as I said before, I did use a hooded dryer. Installing them wasn't so bad. However, the waveformers were a little bit tight, which was something I wasn't expecting. And I have quite a tender scalp, so it was a little bit irritating for me. However, installing them was pretty quick. I say it took me about 30 minutes to install. For drying, it took about 45 minutes. And to take the waveformers down took under a minute. If I was to try this again next time, I definitely think I won't use as much product because they did take a long time to dry. And in terms of product, I think I would use something that has more of a hold, like maybe a strong hair gel, a holding spray, or maybe even a mousse. Because as you can see, once you're going to see in the next clip, my hair does become a little bit fluffy when I fluff it out. I would have liked to see my hair kind of hold its form. Overall, I really enjoyed the experience. Another thing that I wasn't expecting is that my hair almost looks straight. Kind of like I flat ironed it and curled it with like a curling iron or something like that. I don't know, I think I was expecting more of like a kinky wave. But these waveforms, they literally stretched out my hair and I'm very shocked at the results. And I'm also really happy with the way that it looked. So to get a bit more of a windswept look, all I did was separate the curls and this is what it looked like. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment down below because I really love communicating with you. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!